Morning, family. Ham's Loft. Wednesday morning, about 7:15. Got birds out for a morning fly. I think I got everybody together except for two. They're going their own way, so we'll figure them out in a little bit. I think I got them in the phone. It's a cloudy day. It's gonna rain today. So I got yeah, the bottom two are doing their own thing, but I got 24 up there. Two of them at the bottom, so pretty high up there too. Nice, like I said, nice cloudy day. Got a light wind. Of course, this is the A team. B team have been out. The B team has been out 4 times this weekend. I'm pushing them up. I've been trying to get the A team out every single day. Uh, so they are flying really good. They are really high. All right, don't want to turn around like I look crazy, but they up there. Okay, got the B team in there. Let me get their food and stuff together. Okay, family, I think the birds are coming down now. Yeah, there they go, right there. And got 4 on the roof. But all right, I'm gonna swing by. Let's see. Now the green blend of NutriBlend. This is what I feed my breeders. And you know, any bird that's not flying on the A or B team get fed the blend with corn. When we go to the flying team, this is pretty much going back down to where I'm at. I think you can see it. Pure grain, the sparkling clean. All right. And this is just what I feed them. You can look and see. I use it for 16%. No corn. It's a pretty good mix of stuff. Okay, this is the pure grain. You can see it. It's got a lot of peas in it. But when we get about a month away from the actual races, I eliminate a lot of the peas and add just a little bit of corn, and I feed with some filler. You know, just a little bit to add to that. You know, just to help them get a little weight on them. And then I got my extra bag of safflower. I'll mix it in with the whole deal. So they'll be pretty much flying with this, a little bit of this in them, but less peas and just a little bit of corn. Every now and then I would give them some peanuts as kind of like a treat. See if the birds are down yet. Now they're still flying. So that's what I use now. This is what I use. Everybody else might use something different, and all praise to them. But this is just what I'm working with. I do have several places where I can buy feed from. That's pretty good. But most of the stuff like the NutriBlend is all ordered stuff. And the pure grain, they keep on hand. All right, let me see what we got going on. This is what I do. Feed about two tablespoons of feed per bird in the flying team. And you know, I have 26 in the first batch and 45, I think, in the next batch. So we just add it up. Of course, I'm using ounces, and some people use liters. All right. See if we got the birds down. We got a few of them down. They still flying. I don't call them down until majority of them have came down. All right. But all right, family. What I forgot to mention is on my grit. This is what I use for my grit, and I use the red grit too. But it works pretty good. See, got a few down. Still got them flying. They can do their thing. All right, we're gonna call them in for feeding.